Shia versus Sunni, a centuries-old division now dominating headlines. But is it really about religion? The truth is, the Shia-Sunni divide isn't just theological. Today, it's a powerful political tool, used to divide, not heal. Historically, Sunni and Shia communities coexisted across the Islamic world. Disagreements existed, but unity often prevailed. So why is it now such a problem? Because today, sectarianism is weaponized, especially by Western powers. Take Iran. Under the Shah, a pro-Western dictator, Iran was a Shia state, but not a threat. After the 1979 Islamic Revolution, when Iran rejected Western control, the Shia label suddenly became dangerous. So, is the problem really sectarianism, or sovereignty? A united Ummah threatens the status quo, not because of theology, but because it refuses to be divided. It's time to stop falling for the trap, and start asking, who really benefits from Muslim disunity?